Hello everyone, welcome back. Science Olympiad test paper, class 4 for year 2018, set B. Question number 1. Which of the following figures is symmetrical along the dotted line? Kids, a line that cuts a shape exactly in half is called symmetrical line. So our answer is option B, because both sides of this line is same. Question number 2. Garima starts walking towards the east, and after walking some distance, she takes a left turn. Again, after walking some distance, she turns to the left and finally stops after walking some more distance. Which of the following shows the correct path traveled by Garima? Kids, first we check the directions. This is a compass rose and here is east direction. So first she starts walking in east direction. Then this is her right side and here is her left side. Then she turned to left side. So it is left, she walk here. Then it is her right side and it's her left. She turns to left again and walk some more distance, and this is her final position. So our answer is option B. Question number 3. Supriya remembers the first 8 digits of her phone number, but she forgot the last 9th digit of it. She only remembers that the last digit is amongst 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. How many possible combinations of numbers can be formed? These are 6 numbers. So, the possible combinations are also 6. So, our answer is option C, A, 6. Question number 4. If circle is coded as 0, triangle is coded as 3, then dash is coded as 5. As 0 had no side, so circle has no side, so circle is coded as 0. Triangle has 3 sides and is coded as 3. Then dash is coded as 5, so it is 5-sided shape. So our answer is option C. Question number 5. Which of the following options is not exactly embedded or hidden in the given figure? And right answer is option D. Question number 6. Refer to the given flowchart. Select the option which correctly identifies P, Q and R. Let's check the flowchart. First, it is a plant. No, that is P. If we check P, cactus, duckweed, mushroom and sundew. Here only C, option C is correct because mushroom is not a plant. It is a fungi. So now let's check option C. P is mushroom. And now for Q, it is a plant. Yes. It eats other organisms. No. That is Q. Yes, tap grass does not eat other organisms. For R, it is a plant. Yes. It eats other organisms. Yes, that is R. So R is sundew. Sundew eats other organisms. So our answer is option C. Question number 7. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct option regarding X and Y. X has wing and Y has wings and has feathers. So Y is a bird. Option A. X and Y could be warm-blooded animals. B. X may be an animal which possesses here, whereas Y may be an animal that gives birth to young ones. C. X could be a mammal, whereas Y could be a bird. Option C is correct. Option B is incorrect because Y is a bird and bird lay eggs only. And X and Y could be warm-blooded animals is correct. In option C, X could be a mammal because it can be a bat. So our answer is option D, both A and C. Question number 8. Which of the following is correct regarding the given map? This map is given and here are directions. So if it is north, then it should be east. And here is south. It's west. So let's read the statements. A. Court is towards north of Ria's house. It is Ria's house and court is its south side. So this option is incorrect. Option B. School is towards east of sports complex. Here is a sports complex and school is its south side. So this is also incorrect. Option C. Shopping mall is towards west of Cyber Hub. This is Cyber Hub and this is its west side. So this option is correct. Answer is option C. Let's check D. Cyber Hub is towards south of Sports Complex. This is Sports Complex, so its south is this side. So our answer is option C because D is also incorrect. Question number 9. Refer to the given table and select the option which correctly identifies X and Y. Here, looking at the table, we can see that characteristics: lays eggs on land, animal X yes, animal Y no. 4 stages in life cycle, animal X no, animal Y yes. Newly hatched young ones resembles adults. Yes, for X yes, for animal Y no. If we see for Y, lays eggs on land. No, that is only mosquito and frog does not lay eggs on land. And newly hatched young ones resemble adults. Only mosquitoes resembles to adults. So our answer is option B because the frog's young ones does not resemble to frog. Question number 10. X changes to Y when it is cooled down. Select the correct option about the arrangement of molecules in X and Y. And our answer is option C because when an object is cooled down, the, the molecules of that object come to close each other. So our answer is option C. Question number 11. Which of the following groups contains only bacterial diseases? A. Polio, malaria, typhoid. B. Typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis. C. Ringworm, athlete's foot, dengue. D. Common cold, pneumonia, tetanus. And right answer is option C. Question number 12. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies materials X, Y and Z. Here in this Venn diagram, Z allows light to pass through it. In options, ceramic tile and cardboard does not allow light to pass through it. So these options are incorrect. Next, for Y, allows light to pass through it and has fixed volume. In option D, sandpaper does not allow light to pass through it, so this option is also incorrect. So answer is option C, glass, water and air. Question number 13. Select the plant which is similar to the plant shown in the figure with respect to the position it occupies in a water body. Okay, this is water hyacinth and it is a floating plant. So our answer is option C, duckweed, because it is also water floating plant. Question number 14. Study the given food web. Which of the following graphs correctly shows the changes in the population of grasshopper and frog if snake population is completely removed from this locality? Here is snake. If snake is removed, then the population of frog will increase because snake feeds on frog, and if frog will increase, then the population of grasshopper will decrease. So our correct answer is option C. Here the population of grasshopper is decreasing. This is grasshopper population and this is frog's population. Question number 15. Tiny droplets of water are formed on the outer surface of a chilled glass of water when it is kept on a table at room temperature for some time. Which of the following transitions occurs in this process? Option A, solid to liquid, B, liquid to gas, C, gas to liquid, and D, solid to gas. And answer is option C, because it is a condensation process where gas changes to liquid. Question number 16. People wear different clothes depending upon the climate and cultural tradition of the place they live in. The traditional dress of Kerala consists of option A, Firan and kimono, B, hanbok and mundu, C, mundu and neryathu, D, kimono and neryathu. Kimono is a traditional dress of Japan and Firan is a traditional dress of Kashmir. Hanbok is a traditional dress of Korea and mundu is from Kerala. So these options are incorrect. B is also incorrect. D is also, because kimono is from Japan. So answer is option C, mundu and neryathu. Question number 17. Which of the following animal pairs shows the similar relationship based on eating habit as shown by the animal pair in the picture? Option A, snake, bison, B, frog, chameleon, C, antelope, mackerel, D, giraffe, elephant. And answer is option A, snake and bison. Snake and fish has same relationship, food habit, and bison is a herbivorous and cow is also. But here in option B, frog and fish has same, but chameleon is not a herbivorous. In option C, antelope and fish does not have same, and in option D, giraffe and fish does not have same food habits. So answer is option A. Question number 18. X is a fiber which is not obtained from plants and animals. Select the option that gives names of X unscrambling. If we unscramble these options, we can get cotton, for B, polyester, C, linen, and D, silk. So our answer is option B, because others are natural fibers. Question number 19. To reduce force X on a carom board, talcum powder is applied. The force X is the force dash. A, applied by hand on a sponge ball. B. That makes it tough to lift heavy objects. C. That pulls down all objects towards Earth. D. That prevents us from slipping while walking. And the answer is option D. That prevents us from slipping while walking. And it is a frictional force. Question number 20. Refer to the given word grid. Select the incorrect option regarding it. A. One flightless and three flying birds are hidden in the word grid. First, we find out how many birds are there. Here, penguin, heron, parrot, and eagle. Four birds are here. So, the option A is correct. One flightless, that is penguin, and three flying birds are hidden in this grid. So this is not our answer because we have to select incorrect option. B. A bird that makes its nest on ground using stones and pebbles is hidden in this grid. Yes, this is also penguin makes its nest on ground using stones. So it is also not our answer. Option C. Carnivorous flesh-eating bird that possesses sharp-hooked beak and strong talons is hidden in this grid. This is eagle. Yes, this is not our answer. Option D. A long-legged wading bird and a bird with spoon-shaped beak are hidden in the grid. This is spoonbill. This bird is a spoonbill. So our answer is option D because this statement is incorrect. Question number 21. A lunar eclipse occurs only when there is dash moon in the sky. A lunar eclipse occurs only when there is full moon in the sky. That is option C is correct. Question number 22. The given figure shows different layers of earth. Select the correct option regarding it. A. W and X are liquid layers. Option B. Surface of Y is called crust. Option C. Layers Z makes up most of the total Earth's volume. D. All of these. And the right answer is option B. Surface of Y is called crust. Question number 23. Nishad cut the thread from which a stone was tied and suspended. He observed the changes and concluded that option A. Air pulls the falling objects. B. Gravity pulls objects towards ground. C. The thread exerts a push on the stone. D. The stone is a weightless object. The right answer is option B. Gravity pulls objects towards ground. Question number 24. Evaporation is different from boiling because option A. It involves a change of state. B. It can take place at any temperature. C. It does not depend on environmental factors. D. It does not need heat. And the right answer is option B. It can take place at any temperature. Question number 25. Which of the following sets of plants possesses root system similar to the one shown in the figure? In this figure, these are fibrous root. And option A, wheat, rice, onion. B, pango, bean, beetroot. C, grass, carrot, maize. D, rice, turnip, gram. And the right answer is option A, wheat, rice and onion all have fibrous root. Question number 26. Ritika classified objects into two groups as shown here. Select the option that correctly identifies the object that can be placed at X and Y. In group 1, moon, earth, newspaper and X. Group 2, sun, star, electric bulb and Y. In group 1, These all objects are not a source of light, and in group 2 all objects are source of light. So if we check answer for group A, night lamp, it is a source of light, so it can't be our answer. B, football for X and Y for torch. So it is our answer. Answer is option B. If we check others, C, mobile phone, it it is it is not a source of light, and umbrella is also not a source of light, so it is incorrect. D is also incorrect, so answer is option B, football and torch. Question number 27. Select the odd one out. A, steering wheel, B, scissors, C, screwdriver, D, bicycle pedal. And the right answer is option B, scissors, because steering wheel, screwdriver and bicycle pedal works on wheels and axle, while scissors works on wedges and levers. Question number 28. Which of the following will form a solution? 1. Salt plus water. 2. Oil plus water. 3. Talcum powder plus water. 4. Oxygen plus water. Answer is option B. Only 1 and 4 make a solution. Question number 29. The given activity shows that option A. Air consumes space. B. Air rises up on getting warm. C. Air is needed for burning. D. Air has pressure. Right answer is option C. Air is needed for burning. Question number 30. Refer to the given flowchart and identify the process which represent respiration. In respiration, oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide releases. So answer is RQ and TV only, option A, because only animals are taking oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Here in plants, TV, that is taking oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. So answer is option A. Question number 31. Different weights X, Y and Z were hung on a spring as shown in the given figure. What will be the length of a spring when only weight X is hung on the spring? When X and Y are hung, the length is 15 cm. X and Z are hung, length is 17 cm. And X, Y and Z are hung, length is 22 cm. That means X plus Y plus Z is 22. If we add X plus Y and X plus Z, we get 15 plus 17 equals 32. That means X plus 22 equals 32 and X equals 10. So our answer is option B, 10 centimeter. Question number 32. Study the given setup after some time. This is setup. Here is grasshopper. It is water gauze, wire gauze. This is substance that absorbs carbon dioxide. And here is ink at point Y. Option A. The ink drop would move towards X to occupy the space that was previously occupied by oxygen and carbon dioxide. B. The ink drop would not move because the amount of oxygen used up in the bottle is replaced with carbon dioxide. C. The ink drop would move towards Z to occupy the space that was previously occupied by nitrogen. D. The ink drop would move towards Z because the amount of carbon dioxide increases in the bottle, which pushes the drop. And answer is option A, because grasshopper absorbs all the oxygen and this substance that absorb carbon dioxide. So the place is empty. To fill the place, the ink will move towards X. Question number 33. Roshni took three equal sized beakers with equal amount of different types of soil X, Y and Z. She then poured equal amount of water in each beaker. Her observations are shown in the given figure. This is soil X, this is soil Y and this is soil Z. Soil Y absorbs most water, so this is sandy soil. Soil X absorbs less water than soil Y, so it is loamy soil, and soil Z is clayey soil because it does not absorb any water. Identify X, Y and Z and select the correct statement regarding them. Option A. Soil X is unsuitable for growth of all plants. Soil Y could be found in marshy areas. C. Soil Z is best suited for pottery. This is correct option because this is a clay soil and it is best suited for pottery. D. Soil Y is best suited for growing rice crop. This is incorrect. Question number 34. Refer to the given classification table and select the option which correctly identifies P to S. Here, plant part, stem and leaf. Function for stem, photosynthesis, store food. For leaf, reduces water loss, helps to trap insects. For examples, P, Q, R and S. First, stem, store food, that is Q. Let's check for Q first. Carrot, turnip and radish are roots. Only ginger is stem, so our answer is option C. Question number 35. Refer to the given Venn diagram, identify X and select the correct statement regarding it. This is Venn diagram. It is organ X, organ for digesting food and organ for absorbing food. Option A. X is a sac-like organ where food is mixed with acid. B. Liver and pancreas pour their juices into X. Option C. The walls of X absorb water from undigested food. Option D. Both B and C. And the right answer is option B. Liver and pancreas pour their juices into X. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for new video.